right, so I want to show you how easily your motifs lift off of this plastic. After you've piped them, all you have to do is slip your little small offset spatula underneath them and they lift right off. They're a little bit more sturdy than you can imagine, but as they cool, they harden. And that's because this is a tempered chocolate. If it was not a tempered chocolate, if it was the morsels that we use for chocolate chips or ganache, it would not have hardened. So that's why we needed to use this nice tempered chocolate, or you will learn to temper chocolate next quarter. Also, our beans, here we've got our beans, now we have our motifs, and we have just assembled the cake for our mocha mousse cake. We split the cake in half. We macerated it with a combination of Kahlua and a little corn syrup to thicken it, and we placed our mousse layer in the center. We made the mousse the other day. A portion of the mousse we piped into ramekins, and the other part of that mousse we dispensed into 8-inch cake circles, the same size that we baked the cake in, so it makes a nice cake layer. We're gonna let this rest overnight in the refrigerator. Tomorrow we're gonna make the icing. We're gonna frost it, decorate it, and you'll be ready to go when we get back into lab.